The first most important thing is to make online learning a part of your routine. So that means checking in every day. Just as you would go to a physical classroom in a brick and mortar environment, you show up by logging in every day, checking your email, checking the announcements, doing some work.
I would recommend, in addition to a calendar, to use an online project management tool, something like Asana or Trello. The beauty of those programs is you can use them with a group if you have a group project, or you can use them as an individual. You can track your due dates, you can upload files, you can keep track of your progress on a project. And the beautiful thing about using a project management tool like Asana or Trello or one of the many others that exist is it's helping you to prepare for work in the future. Most companies do use some kind of project management tracking software, so if you have that advantage of using it in your personal life, you'll be able to easily adapt to a work environment.
The most important thing is to remember why you're going to graduate school or why you're getting your bachelor's degree or your master's degree, and prioritize. Know what are your priorities. So I actually recommend to people that they reflect and write down what their top 3 priorities are when they're getting their degree. Once you've identified what those are, map out how that is a part of your life. You can do this in a calendar, you can do this on a spreadsheet, you could even draw it out with a mind map. And make every day reflect what your priorities are.
Make sure that you are setting aside time for yourself to relax. It can be incredibly stressful to do school and work and having a family at the same time. You have so many competing deadlines and responsibilities, and it's important to maintain your own mental clarity by taking breaks.